Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by making the connection reliable. Enable Wi-Fi and Bluetooth, then sign in to the same Apple ID on both devices so iCloud sync works. Once done, install iCloud for Windows or have a Lightning or USB-C cable ready if you prefer a direct transfer. You want a stable network and matching accounts because that determines whether photos sync automatically. Otherwise, manual transfer is required. Now, open iCloud for Windows or plug in the cable, and make sure next choose iCloud Upload or Direct Import. If using iCloud, drag photos into iCloud Photos or iCloud Drive on your PC. The service uploads them to the cloud and then pushes them to your iPhone. If using a cable, connect the iPhone, unlock it, choose Trust, then open Photos on Windows and click Import. Select Items and Target Album. Make sure you monitor progress bars and verify you have enough iCloud or device storage, because interrupted uploads cause missing files. Finally, confirm photos appear in the iPhone Photos app and in the expected albums. This completes the transfer. If items are missing, make sure both devices use the same Apple ID, check iCloud storage and your network connection, and then retry. If syncing stalls, force a sync by toggling iCloud Photos off and on, or disconnect and reconnect the cable while trusting the computer again. One key tip: restart both devices if transfers repeatedly fail, because that clears temporary connection errors.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.